Genesis vehicles come equipped with a variety of premium wheel and tire options. Over time, your Genesis vehicle's wheels may come in contact with dirt or debris on the road, such as road salt and brake dust that can affect the condition of the wheel's finish. Regular washing, care, and inspection of your wheels can not only keep your car looking its best, it can also help prevent damage from the dirt and debris. Your local Genesis retailer is equipped to provide thorough, regular cleaning to keep your wheels in their best condition. If you plan to clean your own Genesis vehicle, be mindful of which car wash stations you visit because of possible damage that may occur to your wheels. Check what type of detergents are used on the wheels at the car wash station. Avoid chemicals that are acidic or alkaline, as it is preferred to use neutral or mild soaps. Some automated car wash stations contain tracks that capture wheels and brush rollers that can scratch and damage the wheel surface, so it's best to avoid them if possible. Touchless car washes are recommended to reduce surface scratching while still providing effective cleaning. Protectants, such as ceramic coating, are viable options to add a high-quality coating on the wheels that can reduce the need for frequent cleaning and provide a barrier against harsh environments. It is recommended to consult with a professional for protectant coatings, such as an automotive detailer or your local Genesis retailer. If you notice any wheel finish damage or new imperfections, be sure to consult with your local Genesis retailer. If you're unsure about the best wheel protective coating, consult with a Genesis service consultant to discuss the best options for your vehicle. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.